Do you want to go in the living room right now? Sure, sis, let's go. Okay. Everyone's asleep, so we have to be really quiet. Okay. I'm already here. Coming. Watch the TV. You want to watch America's Funniest Videos? Sure. Sounds cool. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it really that funny to you? This isn't that funny. It is to me. Well, it's not to me. I think it's weird. Okay. Let's just go back to our room. Aren't we going to go to the beach tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah, we are. Okay, let's see. Let's go to bed now.